Hi guys, MyTechTalks back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing the JBL Go 2 and the JBL Go 3 drop test. I'm just climbing up this huge tower thing because why not? And this is the kind of height that we are looking at. So a pretty sizable height. So that's kind of the height we're looking at. So let's get right into this. Got the JBL Go 2 right here, blue one. Fully functional, you can check out in my last video. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drop it on here, and then we're going to go to a harder surface, and then we're just going to lob it at a tree to see what happens, kind of thing. It's a lovely day, almost sunset in the UK. So here we go, in 3, 2, 1. Let's go and have a look. Actually, while we're here, why don't we do the JBL Go 3 as well? Save going up and down loads of times. I just did a unboxing on this one as well, and a sound test comparison between that one and this one. So let's do this one too. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go and have a look. Okay, here we go. JBL Go 2 first. Let's have a look. I'm guessing it's fine because it's like a wood kind of mush down here. Any damage anywhere? Don't think so. Everything's good. Barely nothing on that one. This one is going to pick up a lot more of the dirt, as you can see. You're going to have to clean this out a bit more. See, look, there you go. This one picks up the dirt a bit better, which isn't actually something you want. So yeah, let's chuck it up in the sky and let's get right into it. Okay, guys, we're just going to pop those on there and we're going to climb up again. Oh, here we go. Oh. Nearly fell off. That's not a good start. Okay, so let's get right into it. Slippery this is. Right, okay, JBL Go 2 first. We're just going to put that one down there. Okay, so let's just align this quickly. Here we go, JBL Go 2 blue. We're just going to chuck it up, probably quite high as we can. Slow-mo camera down there. Thank you, birds. 3, 2, 1. Don't know if the camera got that very well, but that's good. We'll check that out in a sec. JBL Go 3, here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Yep, doubt the camera picked that up. There we go, JBL Go 3 down there. Let's go and have a look at them. Okay, we've got the JBL Go 2 right here. Let's have a look at this one real quick. Okay, bump this up to 4K if you want. Is there any damage? I can't see any damage. You guys tell me if you see any damage, but I think this is perfectly good. JBL Go 3 is going to have a little bit more damage on it because it picks up all the dirt, but I'm guessing you can probably wipe this all off under the tap. Wipe it under the tap, wash it under the tap. Yep, let's check if it all works, clicks on and everything. There we go. Still works. Let's turn this one on. Okay, that one works too. Let's move on to the next stage of this drop test. Okay, guys, we're going to go on to the next stage of this drop test. We're just going to throw it at a tree. Apologies to the trees, because, trees are important and everything. So, JBL Go 2 first. Let's align this gimbal. There we go. Okay, it's good light in that. It's a lovely day, isn't it? Comment where you are at the moment and if the weather's actually okay at the moment. It's getting kind of cold, that's why I've got a coat on. Okay, let's get right into this. Let's hope I actually get this right. I did play a bit of cricket, so we're going to just see if I can get this right. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. I'm pretty sure that hit that. JBL Go 2 down there. Okay, JBL Go 3. Here we go. Let's hopefully get this right as well. 3, 2, 1. I missed. That was a very bad throw. My apologies. I'll go do that again. Okay, guys, just went over there. And yeah, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that hit the tree this time. There we go, right down there. Okay, guys, we've got the JBL Go 2 first. Doesn't look like there's any damage, to be perfectly honest. Doesn't look like there's any damage. So we'll move on to the JBL Go 3. Here we go. This one's turned on. This one's getting a battering, to be honest. Look at the two of these. This one's got a lot more dirt in there. This one can wipe off real easy. You're going to have to wash this under the tap. Yeah, this one is taking a bit of a battering. So let's go on some concrete right now. some harder surfaces. See you in a sec. Okay guys, let's move that out of the way. I've got a slow-mo camera over there, it's very low on battery. Here we go, on a normal concrete slab, and then we're gonna roll it down that. Okay, JBL Go 2 in 3, 2, 1 on the corner. JBL Go 3 in 3, 2, 1. That was a bit more of a thump. Let's have a look real quick. Yep, there is a little bit of a scuff right there, if you can see guys, right there. A little bit of a scuff right there, a little bit more chips, but that looks all good. JBL Go 3, nothing that I can see at the moment. Okay, let's go a little bit higher. Here we go, we're going front panel, waist height, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we missed that, let's do that again. Front panel, 3, 2, 1. That sounds a little better, we'll look at that in a sec. Front panel, waist height, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's have a look. JBL Go 2 first. Ooh, ouch. There's some denting right there. Don't know if you can see that, guys, but there's some denting in the panel right there in the grille. A little bit of scuffing. Not the same colour, bit of damage. Let's check this one out. This one's absolutely fine because it's made out of a textured material, so it's basically only going to have a couple of scratches on it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's go a little bit higher. Let's go head height. Let me quickly just bring this down for you guys. Head height, 3, 2, 1. JBL Go 3 in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh. Whoa. The panel's popped off. Ouch. Okay. Well, we'll have a look at that when we get back in. Okay. So that one looks absolutely spotless. Well, apart from the dirt and everything. This one, on the other hand, ooh, ow. Bit of beaten going on here. Ooh, ouch. There's the impact right there. Yeah, wipes away. That's not too bad. Bit more durable, this one. Let's go grill. Head height, there we go. Head height, grill in 3, 2, 1. I kind of missed, but there we go. Grill, head height in 3, 2, 1. There, oh, whoa. It is popped off completely. Okay guys, let me just put this around the right way, this gimbal. Still getting used to this gimbal, so yeah, sorry about that. No more damage. Everything just kind of wipes away like so. Everything still works, I hope. Yep, it does. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this one. Ooh, there's a bit of denting going on here, and the metal's a bit there, but that's all good. This one, on the other hand, wow. This is called a feature. It's not really, but here's a feature. You drop your speaker, the shell comes off. So yeah. So what we're going to do is we're just going to have a look on the inside. Why not? Why we're here? Just going to pop this off. Don't really want to damage it at all on the inside. But here we go. We might as well have a look while we're here. Oh, oops! I pressed the zoom button. So you got probably your subwoofer or whatever it's called on the left. And then the right one's probably the speaker. But what you do is you just snap that back on, and then you're all good. So I might as well do a tear down later on. Might get around to that later. Okay, so let's go on to that roll-in test. Okay, guys, let's start off with the JBL Go 2. Got to get rid of that tracking thing. Let's start with the JBL Go 2. I'm just going to roll it like that. Okay, so let's put this JBL Go 3 down there real quick. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and toss it, really. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, slow-mo camera. And that's where it ended up. Okay, so JBL Go 3, 3, 2, 1. This will be the final test. Okay, that one's a bit better. Let's go and have a look at that. Okay, so JBL Go 2 first. Let's have a look at that one. Wow, okay, that's a bit more damage. Okay, so damage. It's not too bad, I guess. Bit of damages on the top, here and there. Bit of this and that. But do you know what? It still works. So that's the most important thing at the end of the day. As long as it works, and yeah, which it does, because there's a little flashing light there. That's all what matters. Okay, so where's the JBL Go 3? Let's just toss that down there for a sec. JBL Go 3 had a bit more of a beating. Okay, the panel did not pop off, the plastic thingy. This looks all good, doesn't it? I think it looks pretty good. Ooh, bit of fluff coming up from the material right there. But, you know, could just cut that off and it'll all be good again. Let's power this one on. There we go, that one works. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video if you liked this video, and comment down below what you think. And see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.